As electric vehicles rapidly grow in popularity worldwide, there will soon be a wave of used batteries whose performance is no longer sufficient for vehicles that need reliable acceleration and range. But a new study shows that these batteries could still have a useful and profitable second life as backup storage for grid scale solar photovoltaic installations where they could perform for more than a decade in this less demanding role. The study is published by MIT researchers in the journal Applied Energy. As a test case, the researchers examined in detail a hypothetical grid-scale solar farm in California. They studied the economics of several scenarios like building a 2.5 megawatt solar farm alone, building the same array along with a new lithium-ion battery storage system, and building it with a battery array made of repurposed EV batteries that had declined to 80% of their original capacity, the point at which they would be considered too weak for continued vehicle use. They found that the new battery installation would not provide a reasonable net return on investment, but that a properly managed system of used EV batteries could be a good profitable investment as long as the batteries cost less than 60% of their original price. The process might sound straightforward and it has occasionally been implemented in smaller scale projects, but expanding that to grid scale is not simple. There are many issues on a technical level, like how do you screen batteries when you take them out of the car to make sure they are good enough to reuse? How do you pack together batteries from different cars in a way that you know that they will work well together and you won't have one battery that is much poorer than the others and will drag the performance of the system down? On the economic side, there are also questions like are we sure that there is enough value left in these batteries to justify the cost of taking them from cars, collecting them, checking them over, and repacking them into a new application? The MIT team found that for the modeled case under California's local conditions, the answer seems to be a solid yes.